Tayo ng mundo, ang lumaban daw ay katapangan. Ang umiwan
I come before you today, and there's just one thing that I want to say. Thank you, Lord.
makikita natin
Thank
sa
you,
isang
Lord.
fight or flight.
I come before you today,
Habang maraming naghahanap sa kanya para sa kagalingan,
and there's just one thing that I want to say.
may mga tao
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for all you've given to me,
ng direkta
for all you've given to me,
sa halip
for all the blessings that I cannot see. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.
sa kanyang mahalagaan at
With a grateful heart,
nasabi ng lawan.
with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with much joy, I will bless your name. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you. Thank you, Lord. I just wanna thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord,
At sa atin naman,
for all you've done,
napakuhaan sa isang mahirap na kalagayan,
for all you've done in my life.
not necessarily a sign.
You took my darkness and gave me your light.
Tungkol, ikaw ay matapos.
Thank you, Lord.
Ikaw ay bata.
Thank you,
Ikaw ay
Lord.
huwag. Jesus is showing us
You took my sin and my shame.
withdraw and walk away.
You took my sickness and healed all my pain. Thank you, Lord.
Tayo ay mahina.
Thank you, Lord. With a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with a grateful heart, with a song of praise, with a much joy.